Today I will review a trading robot which trades a slightly different asset from what we have seen recently in the channel. Several months ago I placed this robot on a demo account and totally forgot about it. Until at the end of last year I saw that the demo account already made 10% profit, so I decided to give it a try with the live account. In this video I will show you my live account performance which already made 10% profit, the settings which I have been using at the beginning and how I decided to change them, and also what is my verdict about this robot. And before we move to the actual trading, let me ask you for something. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, now is the best time to do it. We are going to do a lot of technical reviews going forward through the year. Also, we are going to review a lot of new EAs which you haven't heard of. So by subscribing to the channel, you help us grow and help us reach more people just like you. Thank you, and let's go to the real deal now. So I'm on the home page of Algo trading space and I'll click on the get started button, which will redirect me to my user account. And here on the left side I can see the accounts and set files which are accessible for VIP Club members only. So I will open that one to show you the account which caught my attention lately. After I sorted the accounts by monthly gain, I can show you this account here, which is with the Happy Index EA. In this robot, as the name suggests, it doesn't trade Forex, but it trades indices. And actually it trades the Dow Jones index. For those of you who don't know what is the Dow Jones, this is an index which tracks the performance of 30 of the largest US companies. It includes companies like Apple, Microsoft, Salesforce, financial companies like Goldman Sachs, some medical companies and other healthcare companies. So like I said, 30 of the largest US companies. But let me get back to the trading screen now. And you can see here the performance of this robot. It is trading for 82 days. It made 57 trades, 10% average monthly profit and almost 30% gain since the beginning of this demo account with the enormous 4.90 profit factor. So after I saw this steady performance on the demo account, I decided to give it a try and place it on a live account. And I will show you the live account now. And this is the account I'm running. Happy Index with Black Bull Markets is the broker. Initial deposit $1,000 and you can clearly see already it made above $100 of a profit, and this is 11% gain, or average monthly 9% because it's running just for 37 days. I will quickly show you the track record and then we can switch to the trading platform to show you the settings. You can see the very steady balance line on the live account. The exposure is only to the Dow Jones index. You can see the trade win, which is enormous, monthly return, total return, the number of trades per day, and actually this robot trades roughly one trade per day, but I will show you that on a trading platform. Before we go there, let me show you what FX Bull shows for the floating profit and loss. Actually, this is not an accurate statistic and I will explain why later in the video. They don't really accommodate for the actual floating loss. At some point this account reached minus 20%, so then I made some changes to minimize the floating losses. Now I'm here on my trading account and this is the robot and the setup which I'm using. I'm currently running a backtest and I'll show the performance of that backtest at the end of the video. The backtest period is for the last 3 years and I am testing the settings which I am currently using on this demo account, which I will show you in a second. But before that, let me show you the trading history and explain how this strategy works. You can see I started the account at the end of December and it started making profits immediately. You can see the first trade open at 1:30 my local time and then it closed at 2:09. Almost 40 minutes later it made $5 of a profit. Then the second one opened on the next day, 8 minutes after 1 AM in the morning, and it closed like 40 minutes later also. And we have few more trades which follow the same pattern. And basically what's happening here is the robot places one trade per day and it targets this profit of $5. I will show you that in the inputs in a second. And eventually, if it's not capable of reaching that profit target, it can open recovery trade with the same lot size. So how the Happy Index strategy works in reality? DCA combines multiple filtering mechanisms before entering the positions. So it uses the average true range filter, which trades only at specific volatility levels. It uses 3 ATR levels, low, medium and high volatility, and trades only when the ATR is within a defined range. So basically this is the moment when I figured out that I'm getting overexposed with my settings. So after the new year I made some changes and you can see here that I started trading with a different lot size, and the hedge trades, they weren't as big as the earlier trades. At that moment I had a floating loss of around 18-20%, which is almost $200, and actually the second trade covered that loss, but I didn't like the idea of having such a big floating loss right from the beginning of the account. So I just made some backtests. I tried to find out the better settings and then I stick to the 0.1 watt instead of the default 0.5. And I'll show you the settings in a second, but you can see that this account made $121 profit. So let me show you the inputs which I'm using at the moment. You can see overall a pretty simple setup. We have two main inputs which we can and should control. One is the profit orders and the other one is the watts. So at the beginning when I started trading this account, I started with 0.5 watts and And then eventually over time I figured out the problem which I explained, which was the bigger floating loss which occurred several times. So I lowered the watts to 0.1 and the robot keeps trading the same way. It just holds positions for longer. You can see that, for example, the trades after I lowered the watts, they again open at that time after midnight around 1 a.m. in the morning, but then they close later during the day because with lower watts it's a little bit tougher to reach this $5 target profit, but still the robot is doing this pretty fine for the time I'm running this account. And actually I wanted to show you the drawdown, but FXBull does not recognize properly this, and it's pity, but still, like I said to you, the robot almost reached minus 20% twice, so the new settings lower the risk and now it is trading less aggressively. While the backtest is still running, I will show you my demo account where I didn't change the settings and I kept trading the settings which I started with. So basically here I'm trading with $5 profit on all orders and 0.5 watts, the way I started at the beginning. And if I go to the history, you can see the robot continues to make profits here, and actually you can see that it makes faster profits here. The thing which I mentioned changed on my live account. You can see here on the demo account it makes fast trades, and actually this one was really fast, less than 2 minutes. So overall with higher watts you can expect faster trades, faster reaching the profit if the robot reaches the profit. But besides that, this is a more risky approach and eventually it can blow the account. But let me switch to the live account platform to show you the backtest, and I can see the backtest is still running, and while waiting for it to complete, I want to explain how I decided what type of account to select for this robot. You can see here that I don't have any commissions on this account, and the reason for this is if I go back to the trading result and I click on the broker name and go to the Blackball site and go to the account types, you can see the different account types. And actually I'm running this robot on the standard account, which does not have commission. It has spreads but does not have commission, and they offer leverage up to 1 to 500. And why I selected this account? Because if I go to the live account performance, and you can see the trades are held for about an hour average and some trades are held for even longer. In this case it doesn't make sense to me to use a low spread account, because for 1 hour the price will move a lot, especially with indices like US30. So that's why I picked the standard account with Blackball markets, and I'm pretty happy with the trading conditions and performance so far. Switching back to the live account where we are running the backtest, I can see it takes a lot of time to complete the backtest, so I will just keep it running. And instead of this, let me show you the vendor of this robot and their track record. So the robot, as you can imagine from the name, is developed by the Happy Forex vendor, and if I scroll down on the page of the robot, you can see their accounts that they have and their backtest. They've been running a backtest since 2022 up until 2024. I would prefer to see a backtest up until today here, but this is difficult nowadays to find in most of the websites, so I will just focus on their real account here. The account started in November 2023 and it made almost 300% profit. They started with $2,000 deposit and now the balance is $6,000. And if I scroll down to show you the metrics and the summaries, you can see they trade the Dow Jones index as well. Overall balanced exposure between long and short trades, and the win rate is the enormous 96%. So pretty stable performance in their track record as well, in my demo account and my live account also. Before I wrap up the video, as always, I want to list several pros and cons about this trading strategy. On the first spot, I will put the strategy itself. It uses an indicator to decide when to enter the market. It knows very well that it trades a volatile index like the US30 and it will move a lot during the day. So basically entering at the right time increases the chance to close the trade on a profit. On the second spot, I like the fact that the robot has a news filter, because this would allow us to further filter out trades during high volatility news events. On the third spot, I will put the developer, which is Happy Forex, a reliable developer. We've been using and testing many of their EAs, and you can see transparent results on the Algo trading space platform. I like their robots, I know them very well how they trade, and I feel comfortable trading these strategies. On the negative side, I will say something which I said in my Happy Frequency review, and actually I will put a link to that one at the end of this video. But what I don't like is the lack of customization. We can control only the profit target, the watts, the spread, and a few other stuff. I would love to be able to have more control on the strategy, so I can also backtest it against different indices and see whether or not it would work well with other assets. On the second negative spot, I would say that the exposure can be very big with this robot if you're trading with higher watts, and like you saw from my account and from the performance, sadly I wasn't able to show you the drawdown, but it reached minus 20% twice in only about a month. So definitely something to keep in mind. This is a robot which should be traded to low risk, if you ask me. So this was my honest review about the Happy Index Expert Advisor. I placed it on a demo account, traded it for several months, then I placed it on a live account, and it repeats the performance from my demo account and also from the vendor's live account. I consider this strategy very interesting, and I will continue trading it, and hopefully once the account reaches 20%, I will be able to make a withdrawal here. If you like this video review, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, now it's a great time to do it. And on the screen, you can see another Happy Year review, which I made a few weeks ago. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.